Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, November 23rd. Hey, again, just a reminder, I'll be kind of a short week this week. I will be out of town heading tomorrow afternoon. So today and tomorrow will be the only days I'll have to go ahead and do these recordings. But unfortunately, Wednesday is going to be kind of a big day for news, but I have a feeling it's going to be a quiet day, primarily because it's the day before Thanksgiving. And it could be a good day for bonds, primarily because anytime you have a long weekend, typically they have what they call flight to safety, so they want to go conservative, especially with all the terror stuff that's going on in Europe, it could be a good day for bonds. So I'll try to post, but I'm not really probably going to have access to it, being out of town and everything. So my apologies beforehand, but I will try to cover it later date when I return. But today we have the existing home sales for the month of October, and as you can see, it dropped. It went from September 5.55 million. And the forecast is at 5.35, so it came in at forecast with a 5.36. Still, unfortunately, a drop in that categories. Stock market's a little mixed today. Also to go back a little bit on the existing home sales, we are still ahead of what we were year after year. So if you look at October of last year, existing home sales is still higher than where we were last year. So that's the good news. It's still going up. It's just it fell off from month to month. But right now the stock market's up, mixed. It was up earlier today, and then the Dow just kind of came back a little bit. It's kind of trying to find its foothold because it's it's not great. Obviously, economic news we just received there, but there's not a whole lot in the stock market that's going on today. There is a Fed meeting today, and looks like it could be. They don't know if there is anything to read into it, but they are. It's regarding the discount rate decision, and the discount rate decision is basically the if you're going to leave the rates and trades, it's kind of the rate that they charge amongst banks. So they're wondering if that could be if there could be a hike in that signal, since they're talking about short-term interest rates being risen, the Fed funds rate, if the discount rate also might be on that table as well included. So we'll have to kind of see if that comes about. So if that does, that could definitely roil the markets a bit if it does. But it could be just kind of like a regular meeting and it's on the agenda. Bond market, we started the day lower, so a lot of lenders who came out with pricing came out with worse pricing than we did on Friday. As we get later in the day, and if it continues to prove, it could get better. We could get better pricing. So right now we're currently about 3 basis points lower than where we left off yesterday, on Friday rather. So if that continues, we could see a little bit of improvement in our pricing as the day goes on. All right, but right now, currently, the pricing from this morning, especially East Coast lenders, will have worse pricing today. All right, have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Take care.